Virtual memory is a storage allocation scheme in which secondary memory can be addressed as though it were part of the main memory. The addresses a program may use to reference memory are distinguished from the addresses the memory system uses to identify physical storage sites. And program generated addresses are translated automatically to the corresponding machine addresses. It is a technique that is implemented using both hardware and software. It maps memory addresses used by a program called virtual addresses into physical addresses in computer memory. Moving forward to understanding the concept of demand paging. The process of loading the page into memory on demand whenever page fault occurs is known as demand paging. The process includes the following step. If the CPU tries to refer to a page that is currently not available in the main memory, it generates an interrupt indicating a memory access fault. The operating system puts the interrupted process in a blocking state. For the execution to proceed, the operating system must bring the required page into the memory. The operating system will search for the required page in the logical address space. The required page will be brought from logical address space to physical address space. The page replacement algorithms are used for the decision making of replacing the page in physical address space. The page table will be updated accordingly. The signal will be sent to the CPU to continue the program execution, and it will place the process back into the ready state. Moving ahead is the overview of page replacement. Page replacement algorithm decides which page to remove, also called swap out when a new page needs to be loaded into the main memory. Page replacement happens when a requested page is not present in the main memory and the available space is not sufficient for allocation to the requested page. When the page that was selected for replacement was paged out and referenced again, it has to be read in from disk, and this requires for input-output completion. This process determines the quality of the page replacement algorithm. The lesser the time waiting for page ins, the better is the algorithm. Last but not the least is thrashing. Thrashing is a condition or a situation when the system is spending a major portion of its time in servicing the page faults, but the actual processing done is very negligible. Now, this is all for this presentation. Hope you had a good learning session. Thank you.